Two pilots alive after plane crashes few miles off coast of Hawaii. Both people on board have been taken to shore after a cargo plane crashed off the Hawaii coast on Friday, the State Department of Transportation says. The agency told that the plane crashed off West Oahu, roughly 2 miles south of Kahului Airport. The plane was departing from the Daniel K. Inouye International Airport in Honolulu and was headed for Kahului, according to the news outlet. The Federal Aviation Administration (FAA) told The Hill that at around 1:30 a.m. on Friday, Transair Flight 810, a Boeing 737 cargo aircraft, made an emergency landing in the ocean off the coast of Honolulu. The pilots had reported engine trouble and were attempted to return to Honolulu when they were forced to land the aircraft in water. The US Coast Guard rescued both crew members, the FAA said. It will investigate the incident with the National Transportation Safety Board. One of the pilots is in serious condition, with multiple lacerations, according to Hawaii News Now, while the other's condition is unknown. The Hill has reached out to the Hawaii. For comment.
Boeing 737 cargo plane makes emergency landing in water off Honolulu, Hawaii airplane landing. A Boeing Company 737-200 cargo airplane with 2 people on board made an emergency nighttime landing in the Pacific Ocean off the coast of Honolulu, Hawaii, early on Friday, the U.S. Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, said. The FAA said the U.S. Coast Guard rescued both crew members, citing preliminary information. The pilots had reported engine trouble and were attempting to return to Honolulu when they were forced to land the aircraft in the water, the FAA said in a statement. Transair Flight 810 landed around 2:30 a.m. local time on Friday. The FAA and National Transportation Safety Board will investigate. The flight departed Honolulu at 1:33 a.m. local time bound for Kahului but quickly turned back toward Honolulu, according to aviation data from FlightAware.com. The flight ended 36 minutes later. The airplane was built by Boeing in 1975, according to FAA records. The plane was first delivered Pacific Western Airlines and joined Transair's fleet in 2014. Rhodes Aviation Inc. does business as Transair, which is one of Hawaii's largest air cargo carriers and has been in business since 1982. It has a fleet of 5 Boeing 737 planes that fly daily to all major Hawaiian island destinations, according to its website. Boeing did not immediately comment. Shares of Boeing fell 1%.